Hello everyone, my name is Virginia. I'm with the booth Aavara Innovation Corporation. Welcome to ISE 2023. Here at ISE, we are very happy to launch a new product, a new monitor stand. It's awesome that specially designed for the curved display up to 49 inch. In the same package, we have the gourmet base and the clamp base for the different demands in your hybrid work or multitasking work. And here we got the live demonstration. You can see that it's very easy. Without efforts, you can move up and down and tilt, swivel. Yes, it's very easy. So it helps you to make efficiency for your work. For more information, you are very welcome to visit live demo at our booth 5C525. And for more information, go to our website www.aavara.com. Thank you.